Hi, this is Darrin Johnson, digitalmarketinglibrarian.com, and in this video we're going to talk about how to escape the rat race. Now, I'm going to use the vehicle of affiliate marketing to show you 3 simple steps that you can use that will help you escape the rat race. Step 1, education and training. If you're in a business opportunity of any kind, maybe you have an internet marketing vision for yourself, or you're thinking about maybe starting a business on the internet, and you want to use the internet as your vehicle to fuel your passion of whatever it is you want to do online, whether it's a service or an offer, an opportunity that you're going to be providing the marketplace. You're going to need education and training. So the first thing you want to do is learn how to pause all your activities and consolidate them into one system. So if you're interested in a multitude of things, you got to learn how to streamline and find your own niche. And if you're offering something to the marketplace and you have various opportunities or products or services that you're considering, you want to consolidate them and put them all in one system so that it makes sense to your ideal clients. You have to also learn how to own your process so that if you're involved in an opportunity and it shuts down, your income won't take a significant hit. This has happened to me time and time again, let me just tell you. And it's a horrible feeling to feel lost and not know what to do after your business opportunity shuts down. But the reason why you become a victim to that is because you haven't invested in yourself and or your training. You haven't acquired knowledge and you haven't picked up skills. And so that's the basis of my applied knowledge as power plan is education. One of the ways that you can overcome that is by accessing the digital marketing library and learn how the marketing pieces fit together. You're going to learn how to do YouTube the right way for smaller channels. And this is important because when you're getting started online, you know, it may seem overwhelming when you see all the big hitters out there. It seems like they're gobbling up all the YouTube traffic. But there is a place for you on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how to find your place in YouTube so that you can get enough traffic to get yourself off the ground and get your business going in a positive direction. Okay, you got to learn how to identify your customer avatar and attract your ideal client. And these are all things that are part of education and training that you need to do in order to escape the rat race. You're going to learn you're going to learn the technical stuff that you need to get your YouTube channel and you get your YouTube videos seen. Oftentimes, gurus will tell you, shoot videos and you're going to be okay. But you got to know the technical side behind that in order to get your videos properly placed so that your ideal clients can see them. And that's what you're going to learn. And as we move forward, I'm going to talk to you about a system that will show you how to get all those pieces put together for you. Okay, YouTube is an important part of this plan because it provides passive marketing. And passive marketing is so important because it's like having a soldier, an army of soldiers out there, or if you're a boss, it's like having a bunch of employees out there working on your behalf, bringing traffic back to you and to your business. And that's so very important because this can happen anytime, day or night. And when you complement it with, you know, paid traffic efforts or any sort of online marketing, whether it's ads or solo ads or Facebook advertising, YouTube or Google advertising, whether you're doing any of those paid methods, it's always good to have a YouTube component going for you in the background because that's constant potential traffic coming to your business. Now, the other reason why you want to have a YouTube presence is because no one is buying without research, so you want to let your ideal clients feel comfortable with you by putting yourself out there. They're going to research you anyway, so let them be able to see you so that, when they're out there researching you, you come up in the search bars and your videos are the ones that they see, and it adds a layer of professionalism, and it also lets your clients know that you're legit. Okay, you're not just hiding behind whatever business or opportunity you might be promoting, but you're actually willing to get out there front and center so people can get to know who you are. Okay, solo ads are a one-time shot in the arm, but email marketing is where you build that important relationship that leads to sales. You're going to learn all of that in this system that I'm going to be describing to you in just a while. You want to send your clients emails with your latest video included. Again, you want to get them to know who you are. There's a person behind the emails that they're receiving. And these are real people that are getting your emails. So you need to talk to them like human beings. And the best way to do that is through video so that they can get to see who they're dealing with. All right, you're going to learn how to do all this through what I call a gateway. And this is a system that I'm currently using called the one-page affiliate method. After you access the one-page affiliate method, you're going to access the digital marketing library that I have for you as a bonus through the link below. And this is exclusively through me. So I'm going to put all the pieces together in a private group. And that includes contact with me so that you will be familiar with all the steps that you need to escape the rat race. All right. Because if you're going to escape the rat race, you got to have a plan. And the Applied Knowledge is Power Plan is that blueprint to your freedom from your rat race. Step number 2 is decision time. You're going to take the knowledge that you're going to get from the one-page affiliate method system. And again, the information for that is going to be below in the description. And my bonus digital marketing library that I'm going to give you access to, and you're going to apply it to whatever business you choose, whether you are providing a service, whether you're in affiliate marketing, whether you're offering an opportunity, or you want to market some tools that you know are useful to your niche, whatever you decide to do. You are going to be able to use the one-page affiliate method and my bonuses to have all those pieces together laid out for you in a strategic plan to help you free yourself from the rat race. With what you learn in the one-page affiliate method in concert with my exclusive digital marketing librarian bonus, you will have everything you need to grow your existing business under one umbrella. You're going to be able to promote, again, as many offers, tools, or programs that you are a part of, all in one place and in a way that makes sense to your ideal customers. Now, this is important because oftentimes people will have multiple opportunities that they're involved with, and they think they're doing multiple streams of income, but they're really not, because it becomes confusing to your ideal client if you're talking about opportunity number 1 and then opportunity number 2 is something totally different. It just gives the appearance that you're hopping around and you're not grounded, and your system has no flow, and it doesn't make any sense to anyone. It's just you promoting a bunch of stuff. So in the one-page affiliate method, you're going to learn how to streamline everything so that even if you are promoting multiple tools or opportunities or services, your ideal customer can see the logical flow and why those opportunities would be useful to them. Now, the second option you have is you can decide that you want to become an internet marketing specialist. Now, these are for the people out there. If you are thinking about, you know what, I am an expert plumber, and I want everyone in my community to know that I'm available for all their plumbing needs. But how can I do that on the internet? The digital marketing training that I'm talking to you about right here with option number 2 is going to train you on how to promote anything that you want on the internet. Whether it's affiliate marketing or not affiliate marketing, it doesn't matter. Multi-level marketing. You're a doctor, you're a dentist, you're a lawyer, you're a real estate agent, you're a life insurance coach. It doesn't matter. This is next level training that will show you exactly what you need to know to use the internet as your vehicle to promote your business, whatever that is for you. And that's the second option that you can take advantage of. You're going to learn specific digital marketing training so that, again, you can promote any business. And for instance, I chose this path, right? I'm a part of option number 2 because I am actively promoting my wife's private practice on the internet. And I'm using this training to do that for her, okay? And this is the leaderboard level knowledge that they don't share with you when you sign up. Most leaderboard members are only concerned about you promoting whatever that opportunity is so that they can make money because they're your upline. They're not interested in showing you how you can arm yourself with the knowledge and the tools to be able to become a leaderboard member, or to at the very least know how to promote yourself on the internet effectively. Okay, so this is the training that will show you how to do that. Now, it's way more than sending paid traffic to a replicated, done-for-you marketing system. And this is the message that a lot of internet marketers will feed you is, oh, here's my system, and if you follow my system, you're going to be just fine. All you got to do is this one easy thing. Well, if it was just one easy thing, why are you seeing them in the video, right? Because it's not just that one simple thing. But you have to be realistic about what it's going to take to help you escape the rat race. And what you got to do is you have to have a dedication and a focus towards doing whatever you have to do and learning whatever you have to do, and maybe even stepping outside of your comfort zone for the bigger picture of freeing yourself from the rat race. Now, step number 3, applied knowledge. Here's where you put all the pieces together. Step number 1, you're going to build your own marketing system to promote your business using what you're going to learn in the one-page affiliate method. You're going to be able to control your assets, and you're going to learn how to target the right audience, even if you are brand new. And this is very powerful stuff that most people don't teach you on the internet, okay? For the reasons that I discussed earlier. You're going to learn passive marketing and how to apply it to your business. Or step number 2 under applied knowledge is you can just decide to stop right here and promote your business and pursue your business and grow your business using everything that you're going to learn in the one-page affiliate method, along with the bonus that I'm giving you in the digital marketing library for free once you take advantage of the one-page affiliate method. That's enough information right there to help you promote your business if you're involved in businesses on the internet. But if you are thinking about maybe another niche and you want to know how to promote that niche, then step number 2 is where you're going to be looking to consider. And then step number 2 under applied knowledge, you're going to decide to become an internet marketing specialist, and you're going to be gaining the knowledge and skills that the top internet marketers have that will allow you to dominate any offer, service, tools in any niche you desire. All right. Step number 3 under applied knowledge, take advantage of the bonuses in the digital marketing library private group and stay connected to me. All right. You can post questions or comments in our private digital marketing library group for ongoing support, no matter what direction you choose. Now, my personal recommendation, because the name of this video is how to escape the rat race. So my personal recommendation for you is that you start with the one-page affiliate method. This is your solid foundation that most newbies are lacking. And, when they join offers or opportunities, they're just out there. They'll invest in something and then they want to know what to do next. And then when they reach out to the person they signed up under, they get no responses. All right. And it leaves them feeling very frustrated and like they've been taken advantage of. So instead of investing in all of that, why not just step back and invest in yourself? Get the knowledge for yourself, learn what you're doing for yourself, and then you can make an informed decision on what you might want to promote or where you want to go with your business on the internet. So my recommendation is to start with the one-page affiliate method, get that solid foundation. All right. It's applied knowledge. It's not informational. Everything that you learn are steps that you're going to be taking to help you build whatever business you want to promote. All right. And there's a lot of power in that, because by the end of this training, you have set up a fully functional online marketing system that you can use to promote anything. So that's my recommendation for you. After you've gone through the one-page affiliate method and you've built your foundation through each step of the training that you're going to get, then like I said, you can make an informed decision on what you want to do next. If you want to build on that foundation and learn even more about what the top leaders know that they don't share, for less than like $10,000 in some 3-day training or course or intensive whatever that you may have to show up to. If you don't want to do any of that crap, then this is for you to learn the digital marketing skills that you need to promote any business on the internet. Okay. And that's going to be through a program called Digital Marketing Goldmine Pays. And I'll leave the link to that also in the description. But my recommendation, like I said first, build on the foundation. Start with the one-page affiliate method. It's a cheaper way to go anyway. And then once you got that foundation, make an informed decision whether or not you want to go further. Consider it kind of like going to college before going to graduate school. You don't go from high school to graduate school. You got to get that foundation in college first, and then you can decide if you want to go to grad school. That's what digital marketing goldmine system is about. That's that grad school level education. So again, I would start with the one-page affiliate method and then go from there. All right. Now, I have another step, and it's called what the heck? I'm confused. All right. Because I gave a lot of information in this video, and you may kind of feel like, whoa, what is all of this? Well, this step right here, I'm willing to offer you a discovery call. And this discovery call will be to clarify how this plan fits into your business or businesses. To qualify, though, all I ask you to do is go through the videos on my education page. When you click the link below in the description, the very next page is going to be an education page. You're going to get some free training on that page, and I want you to go through it, all right? Because that way when we talk, you'll know exactly what questions to ask that weren't already answered in the video on that page. I want to help you understand what steps you need to take along your journey to ending the rat race and escaping the rat race. And help you reach your goals. Okay, so you need a plan and you need a blueprint if you're going to escape the rat race. And this can be it for you. All right, but all you got to do is take the first step, click the link below in the description, and let's get you plugged in. All right, and just take that step. You are here watching this video because you have a desire to escape the rat race. I know, I've been there. I know how frustrating it is. That's why I turned to the internet back in 2012. And let me just tell you, you want to get off to the right, on the right step. If you're new, this is the perfect place to start. If you're not new and maybe you've joined some opportunities and they haven't worked for you, and maybe they shut down on you, or maybe you spent money and you were confused, you still didn't know what to do, and you never made a dime in your opportunities, then this is the place for you to start. Stop investing in other people and start investing in yourself. Don't make the gurus and the leaderboard members even richer because they're not giving it back to you. They're not pouring back into you. They're moving on to the next opportunity. So stop the madness if that's what you're doing, and invest in yourself. Use your brain and don't be afraid of new information. Okay, this is very powerful stuff. It's available for you. Click the link below in the description, take advantage of it, and then reach out to me and I will add you to my digital marketing library. And I promise you, after years and years of trial and error, I've got all the steps waiting for you in that private group. And that's why it's a private group, because I'm not letting just anyone in there. I need to work with serious people who truly want to end the rat race for themselves and are willing to step forward, invest in themselves, learn new information, and take advantage and apply that information. Okay, that's what it's all about. That's how you do it. That's how you escape the rat race. This is Darrin Johnson, your digital marketing librarian, and click that link and let's get you started. Thanks for the time it took you to watch this video, and I look forward to sharing more valuable information to you in a future video. And by the way, go ahead and click the subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified next time I upload a video with even more information for you. I want to see you in the rat race, and I want to be that person to help you get there and accomplish your goals.